Hi, Orlen. Happy birthday.
Now,
It's your birthday today. Hi, guys. Welcome back to our channel
again.
Today's video, guys, we're celebrating Orlen's 7th birthday. Welcome back to our channel again. Today's video, guys, we're celebrating the 7th birthday of Orlen. So we make some little decoration, ayan. And then she has some gift from us, from her Goma Aka, then from us also. And ayan, nga. Gusto niya kasi ng gift. So pinagpilian, di ba? So ayan ang kanyang decoration, simple lang. So, come here, Orlen. Say hi.
Hi.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Say hi, come here.
Guys, you look this glittery globally. Oh.
See, look. How nicely. Don't pull it.
I also have gift the organ from Goma. Second is happy birthday organ from Goma. Bapu Stenor. Happy.
Don't press.
I know this one.
What?
I know. Dress.
No. You don't press.
Happy birthday Orlin from Akka Rakesh.
Rakesh Mama.
Rakesh Mama.
What's that? Munna and Chilla.
I'm very happy. Happy birthday Orlin from Goma.
This one?
Happy birthday Orlin from Dada and Mama. Happy birthday Orlin from Dada and Mommy. Name?
Mama. And other one there.
That's finished.
Okay.
Yes, Mama.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Orlin. Happy birthday to you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you. May the good God bless you and keep you. Happy birthday to you. Yay. Look.
Oh.
Happy birthday. Hey.
Is it nice? Okay, then okay. Now you give it to Dada and Mama. Because you have to try them. If it's a sweet, see
Now you know why I bring 2 nights.
Okay, Dada.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, okay, good. Good.
Itu apa? Main.
Small piece. Yeah, thank you. Thank you.
Give to my. Give to video Mama Suchi. See there.
All.
This one coming, go. You are wait. This one coming.
You come here. You come here.
This one
Right. Okay.
The English and American.
Give Suchi and give to Suchi. Auntie and video Mama.
This one, Mama. This one.
Photo. Yeah, this side.
Wow, yummy cake. Yummy cake? Oh.
Say thank you, no.
She's busy eating cake.
Mas,
No.
Wow.
My lipstick is gone.
Huh?
Lipstick.
No problem. Lipstick gone. Later will come out.
Ah,
No need lipstick.
no need. You eat already cake.
Yes.
It's okay. See?
Finish this one, photo.
Yeah. Guys, ito yung handa ni Orden. Banana cake, tapos mga blanca, chicken curry, kebab, vegetable beans, pork, chicken suka, bakri, and idli, rice, then dal. So, this one, guys.
Hi guys, today I have my birthday gift because yesterday it is one party.
Yesterday your birthday.
Yes!
How you like your birthday yesterday? You happy?
Yeah. Yes, first I'm going to open from you.
Okay, open.
Yay!
Wow! What is that?
It's a dress.
Open, show, open it. Wow! So pretty. Then what else you have?
Then second I'll open from you again.
For mama.
Oh my.
Here.
Let's
There is
see.
tape here.
Let's see.
Open from the other side. Also has tape.
I have only.
Here it.
Wow! Olin, you like your gift?
Yes! Yesterday you had openings. Again! Again you dress. Again you dress.
Show. Wow, so pretty. Colorful.
Wow.
Colorful color.
What next? This one.
Then next I will open from
This is from Abba and mine.
No, this one,
my friend.
what's that one?
Okay, I forgot what's that one.
Sanjiva, what's that thing?
Not that much only.
Kitchen set. You will make dosa, idli. Wow! See, look at that. Wow.
See, you have so many kitchen set here. All you have glass, you have cylinder gas, you have pan, you have a stove, grater.
You will cook.
You'll cook today, okay? Today you'll cook in your kitchen set.
Then next is from
What next?
Happy Birthday audience from Akka, Rakesh, Mama,
Yeah.
Munna and Sinda. Again new dress.
Wow, you have plenty of dresses.
Yes.
So cute.
Next, I know this one. I know.
What?
I know.
What?
It is a watch. I know.
From that one.
Goma.
How you know that is watch?
Goma told me.
Kylie.
Yeah, tape. Why tape is it? Why is it made from tape?
Of course, no.
I will remove it.
Close your eyes.
No.
Close your eyes. That is a surprise, no?
Oh,
Wow! Blue pig. Wow!
my goodness.
See, open this one. Open this one. Open. See, I will show you.
Wow!
Guys, I will show you something. Here, it is here.
Wow!
Same like you have known everything about that one.
How you know that one?
Because
I think you saw already this one.
from Goma.
What is it?
I
Open.
don't know. Oh, very heavy. What?
Oh my god.
Slowly.
Oh my god.
What is that?
Balloon.
What is that?
One. A painting.
Then
Whole
what is that?
coloring set, painting set. Wow, plenty of things. What is
What you
this?
gonna say to Baba Steno
Thank you.
and Goma?
Later, I'm going to paint.
Okay. That is paint.
Last one.
I don't know what is this, but
What is that?
What is that? Surprise!
I know.
What?
Pencil.
No.
No. It's not a pencil.
Color pencil.
No.
What is this? What is this?
Read.
What is that?
Eh?
What?
Popcorn.
That was,
you like that one when you go in Bangalore, right? You told to Goma that you like that popcorn. Goma sent for you that one.
Wow.
I like eating popcorn.
Wow.
Wow.
Two?
Yes.
Wow.
Oh, it's sealed. You need to open this little inside the popcorn head. You remember this one you ate before in Bangalore? You said
When is that?
Goma.
Eat?
Before, I think.
Oh.
This one you will eat later.
You can open one.
It will become soft.
Ah, okay. There is another one yesterday. Abba give you. Abba and Mai.
I know.
Where it is?
Okay.
This one, guys. Abba and Mai.
I'm going to open.
From Murubille. Yesterday.
So,
last.
take one photo. Just wait before you open. Just keep it like this.
Wow. See this one.
What in noise? Not this. Kitchen set. Thank you everyone for giving me gift.
You have a lots of gift.
Yes.
Say thank you to Abba and Mai.
Thank you.
Then Nagoma, Babastano, and Bapu. And then who else? Aka, Rakesh Mama, Silla, Munna, and especially to Dada and
Mama.
yes. You're happy? You have too much gift? See, look at that, guys. She's having too much gift.
Guys, I want to show you one magic. Here there is no numbers, no?
Wow!
Oh no, that was surprise.
Oh my God! Even me also, I don't know.
How?
You press the button, no? It will stop it by itself.
Me also, I was surprised. Oh my God, you like it.
Oh. No, you can fix it.
Okay.
That is Ramu. Huh?
From who that one? Goma. Say thank you to Goma. Wow, you look at that, guys. See? She's having too much gift.
Yeah, I know this song.
What is that? What is that kind of song?
I know. It is in YouTube.
YouTube. Okay, guys, we will end our video for today. And Olen's birthday finish. Over. Now she's 7 years old now. Okay, guys, thank you for watching, everyone. God bless you. Bye-bye. Bye, Olen.